a 1995 Tacoma. Hood was replaced with a hood that was painted black, flat black, or it's more like primer. And we got a quote from the paint shop that would cost $700 to put factory paint on it to match. So Dad ordered this, he said $37 vinyl off eBay. I'll have it linked down below. It's pretty cool. It's a carbon fiber black and gray. First time trying to put vinyl on a car, on a truck. It's gonna turn out pretty cool, I think. Hoping for the best. Try to figure out how to not have wrinkles in it. It's gonna be interesting. Came with scissors, this little knife, and a squeegee. We get one try. Hopefully we don't fail. This is a 1995 Tacoma. It has method wheels on it. It's a 5-speed manual, 4-wheel drive, 131,000 miles. So as you can see, we failed a second time, unfortunately. It didn't work. This stuff was hard to work with and didn't get wrinkle free, bubble free. So yeah, there's a lot of wrinkles, lots of bubbles. But yeah, I'll have it linked down below if you want to check out the stuff that made us fail twice over. I don't know if it's the stuff or just don't know how to do it correctly, but this is what happened the second time over, and it doesn't. We get to see what it would look like if it did work, kind of like we get an idea that it would look pretty cool without wrinkles. But yep, that's what we got.